Hello, good evening. I'm here from Japan. Kata, happy birthday. 60 is birthday. Parehas tayo, 16 na tayo itong taon na to. Ang sasabihin ko lang sa'yo, just keep being beautiful. And be healthy. Yan ang pinaka-the best. Again, happy birthday. See you!
Hi, Cece. I know it's your birthday, so I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. At saka more blessings your way, more years to come. Stay young as you are. Wala yan. Ano lang yan. Numbers lang yan. Pero yung totoo, basta young at heart ka lang palagi. Okay yan. Saka, dami mo pa aalaga, apo. Kaya stay healthy ka, ha. I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. And sana dumating din yung may time ka na sa sarili mo because you work all your life. So, dapat lang magsaya ka na. Okay? So, for now, enjoy your day and have a blessed birthday. Okay? Coming from your friend here in Guam, Jenny. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mars.
Happy birthday!
Happy Tikti.
God bless and
Yan
enjoy.
Enjoy. Enjoy your birthday. See you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Ate Cathy. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Hindi man ako wala naman ako dyan sa Ate Itik. Pinabati pa rin nila. Sana maging masaya kayo ni Kuya Perdi. At mabuhay kayo na magkayari. Again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Dito kami sa Donkey. Donkey. Uwi na. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mars!
Kadami
Enjoy.
pagbate. Bye-bye.
Hi Cathy, happy birthday. I wish you have all the good things in life. Lalo ng 60 ka na ngayon, hindi ka na senyorita at senyora ka na. Thank you for the 40 years of friendship at I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Ma'am Catherine Cubilla, happy 60th birthday. Belated birthday sa inyo. God bless you and many more birthdays to come. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you.
Hi Ma'am Catherine, happy birthday at congratulations po dahil dual citizen na po kayo. Happy 60th birthday po. God bless you more this year.